Hello everybody. So we are currently, well, I just currently got off of work right now. Just got home and I will be going ahead and moving forward with the next video, which would be putting on some tire letterings. We are going to be putting on some tire letterings. I did open them just to make sure everything was in and everything was correct, which I did have already for about a week. Just haven't got around to putting them on. I did get these from eBay, not directly from the tire lettering manufacturer, but I will be going ahead and opening them before loading in the car. So this is actually the same manufacturer or store that I did order from for my previous tire letterings on my Yokohama Advance. So I took them out. They say Federal 595s, as they are the Federal 595s. So they are all in one. It's not piece by piece, so that should be a lot easier than the previous set I did have. There were 1x1 letterings, or at least 3 attached, so that was a little time consuming. It comes with some sandpaper because you do have to sand down and clean the surface or the tire before putting them all back on. This is the glue that it comes with. It's actually pretty good. It does come with the gloves, but I decided to provide these. These are a lot thicker than the ones that come in the packaging. So last time it did rip and I did burn myself with it. So that's why I provided myself with some thicker gloves this time. And that's pretty much it. It comes with 2 for each tire. Hopefully it comes with extras. My last set did come with extras. But let's go ahead and see if we can roll in the car. So usually halfway in I got to start setting up the wood blocks, just because the front bumper is fiberglass, so I am not risking anything. Even with my OEM bumper I would scrape, so always got to take that precaution of putting on some blocks. The rears are fine, but always got to take that extra precaution. Alright, went ahead and jacked up the car already. Had to use the 2 plywoods because apparently the brick was not enough. So went ahead and took off the wheel already. Have it over here, and I am about to go ahead and start prepping. So that's how the other one's gonna be, but I'm currently sanding this whole side right here. That's where we are going to be pretty much putting the first one over where it says Federal. So this is pretty much the first step. I put some tire shine on it when I washed the car maybe about I want to say about a week ago, maybe a couple days less. But there's the first step, sanding it down so we can get down all this out. And after that we go ahead and move on to putting on some rubbing alcohol to go ahead and clean everything out, make sure it's ready for the lettering to go on. Alright, so just finished wiping it down with some rubbing alcohol. We are about to go ahead and start the process on putting on the tire letterings. So what I'm gonna just pretty much do, it's pretty much gonna be like this. Sorry, it's hard to do it with one hand. So that's pretty much how it's going to be, roughly, just because it doesn't have glue yet, so it's all, you know, not perfect. But what I'm planning to do, since I'm starting here at the F, I'm gonna start just putting some of the glue that gave me right here. Start pasting it little by little, making sure it's firm, and then just going along with the rest of it. Well, it took a little longer than expected, but just finished the first one. I'm going to go ahead and try to speed through the other ones, but everything seems to be good. Everything's popping out, everything, all the edges are pretty glued, pretty firm. So really liking how this looks. I always love the white and red. Makes it really pop, especially on silver. So I'm gonna go ahead and try speeding through the other 3, and we'll go ahead and see how it comes out all together. Well, it did take longer than expected on the side, but I am onto the left side. It got dark, so I did have to use this little lamp here. Very handy, just because my porch light is not bright enough. So using that to go ahead and light my way up so I won't mess up. Almost done. Hopefully I can get a good shot. I'll probably just use a light to show you guys how it is, but on to the next side. I am letting the car warm up. Just turned it on for the first time today, and I am going to go to probably a parking garage, start to take some pictures with the new letterings on it, and go ahead and just show off the walk around and how much of a change it now looks. This is how it now looks with the new tire letterings on it. Personally, I love having tire letterings on it. Ever since I had my first pack that I put on the Yokohamas, I never went back. Now I always want tire letterings on any set that I have now. Also, I'm here to take some photos for at least a thumbnail or something, or in general I just like to take pictures. This is my Sony 7A2, I believe, and yeah, just gonna get some couple pictures in. Well, I decided to go ahead and just pull it into a little slot right there of the parking spot, just to get you guys a better look of it now that the wheels are straight. And yeah, this is how it currently looks.